I've got about 86 conifers around the property that needed to be lobbed, and I was in desperate need of a chipper. Fortunate to find a pretty good chipper on the internet, and it's done the job, and I've been really happy with it. That can really chop at least 225 mm, and this thing can handle that and probably more. Started the job around 9:30 this morning, and it's about 12:30 now, and I'm really happy because we're at least more than halfway through the job, so it's working out really well. I'm telling you, to be honest, hadn't I found this chipper, I reckon I would have been here at least 3-4 days, so it's an absolute godsend. Yeah, as you can see, these are the sort of trees. Up in the back, there's still a bit more to go, and this is all the leftover offcuts, so it isn't a small job, it's a big job, and you need a big chipper. So this has done a really great job for us, so we're really happy. Yeah, it's 3:30. I'm very happy. I got the job done, and it was the first time I ever used the chipper. Very happy because the first time I've used a wood chipper, I proved that it's very cost effective to hire a wood chipper, and at the end of the day I'm very happy with the job, and I'm left with so much mulch to cover the whole property, see me through the year. So beyond that, thanks very much Red Brew for making my day.